So I had these Beats Studio Buds, but I dropped them and the case broke. So that was like, I didn't want to buy like a whole new Beats Studio Buds because they're literally like $100. And the earbuds, because the case used to be white, and the earbuds are still like fine, they're still intact, they still work. So I was like, what do I do? So I searched on Amazon and I actually found this like replaceable case for Beats Studio Buds, and it literally works the exact same as a regular Beats Studio Buds case. I got it in the color black and I have white earbuds, so you can kind of see the difference, but this works literally the exact same as a regular Beats Bud case, and it's like a perfect replacement, and I did not have to pay the full $100 for a whole new set. It also came with another charger, which is really nice, and like an information packet. But yeah, this has been putting up really well. The only difference is that there's this little like button here. You really only use the button to like connect it to another device, so it's really not different at all. And it also has this light up light that tells you like if it's low battery and when it's charging. Overall, I would definitely recommend this if you need like a replaceable case for Beats Studio Buds instead of like buying a whole nother one, because this saves so much money, and also like it reduces the amount of waste you have because you only need to get the case, you don't need to throw out the earbuds. But yeah, if you broke your Beats Studio Buds case recently, I would definitely get this.